gonna start this video blog today by saying goodnight because it's about 5:19 in the morning. Just finished my video editing on my last blog and my head hurts. Got like a headache. Anyways, I will see you in a couple hours, or you will see me like right now up and at 'em. Here we go. Hey, I told you that I'm awake now. Anyways, to sum this up quick, me, my mom, and my cousin Nick, we went to Meijer. Why isn't the garage closing? There we go. We went to Meijer and we got food, and I got like 2 pairs of pants, and a hoodie. I want to go to Walmart and get some hoodies for myself because I don't know why, but I'm not in a good mood this morning. Might have been from the lack of sleep I got, because I wanted to sleep at like 5 in the morning. 5. No, damn it! I said fuck Walmart because I am going in. I'm in the Rochester Town Mall. See, everywhere. And I'm just gonna walk around, go into random stores and buy shit. So, come along with me. Well, I was going to get a tattoo at S Tattoos, but they're not open right now. And yeah, I actually was gonna get a tattoo, and I was gonna have them actually film me getting the tattoo, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm getting a tattoo. So now I'm gonna go across the street over there and just you know, across the street. So see you over there. Mannequins fucking scare me because look, this guy, as you can clearly see, he's way too happy. Probably because he's with her. She looks bored as fuck. She's like, when is this day gonna be over? And he's like, aha! Over here we have Mr. Nicolas Cage. And we have other people. Just so I brought to your attention. So good news, bad news. Actually just bad news. I did not go in any store because all the stores are closed. Kind of forgot it was Sunday for a second. So that kind of sucks. To our right we see garbage. Oh yeah. You know I like it like that. I'm at Kmart, baby. Stop sign. So I'm at Kmart, gonna see what kind of clothes they have. If they have any kind of clothes, and I will record it, and I'll be like, I'm recording. Just gonna go to Kmart. Bye. I got a hoodie at Kmart for $7. And it's snowing outside. Anyways, I got the hoodie from Kmart for $7. And it was marked $12.99. I told the guy, excuse me, but there was a huge section over there with like a bunch of these hoodies for about like $7.19. And he's like, can you show me? And I'm like, sure, why not? I'm no liar right now. So basically I got a hoodie for $7. So yeah. I'm still trying to get home. A big huge snowstorm hit, and oh my god, look. Yeah, this video blog this morning, when I took it, it was all like, not a snowflake on the ground. Look at it. My God. It's so crazy. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop video blogging because, well, I'm gonna stop video blogging right now because it's, really bad outside. And, I shit you not. If I could, I would. Oh my God. But, you know what? It's Michigan weather. If you don't like it, don't come to Michigan. I just want to go home and play games. I want to play some Xbox. I want to be, don't stop, play Xbox, see my gamer score go up. Tonight I play online, hearing 13-year-olds whine. Xbox 360, Nintendo Wii can suck my D. Wow, wow. I'm rocking along on this car, just moving along. While the snow hits the ground, I sing the super song. I got my chipotle in my bag, in the other seat, because when I play online tonight, I like to eat the heat. So I don't stop. I play the Xbox. I look at other people go by. I say hi, I say hello. Everyone, look at the snow. I don't go more than 2 miles per hour because I don't want to die. Not yet in my life. I wish I was home, I wish I was home, I wish I was home. Tomahawk! And go.